friends, in this video I'm going to share with you a haul. Once a month, Olivia and I like to go thrifting, and so I try to go the first Tuesday of every month, and so that's what this is. So we went thrifting. But before I show you that haul, I took some video footage over the weekend of the big snowstorm that hit, I don't know, lots of different states, clear down south, up to Michigan, all the way out to the East Coast. New York, I know, got it. New Hampshire, I mean, all the Maine, all of those states there. And so I took some footage of that. We didn't get as much snow as what they were calling for. I honestly don't know how many inches we did end up getting because we have open fields across from our house and the wind was blowing, and so we got major drift action going on. So I really don't know how many inches we ended up getting. Olivia's outside doing chores. Oliver's having a fit. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and insert that footage here. Well, it's about 9 o'clock Wednesday morning, and this is all we've gotten. See on the edge of the railing there, maybe 2 inches, 3 inches. That's a far cry from the 20 they say we're supposed to get. So it's going to have to do a whole lot worse than this if we're going to get what they're calling for. I'll check back in with you later, but it's not even snowing right now. So we'll see. We shall see. So it's the noon update on Wednesday, and as you can see, we got a couple more inches, and it is now snowing pretty good out there. Travis started off to work, but one of his coworkers texted him and said to stay home, so he came back. So he's helping Olivia with chores. And then Scott just got home. He left several hours early, and he said the roads are pretty hairy. So yeah, still don't know that we're going to get the 20 inches they're calling for, but got at least 6, it looks like. And the storm's not over yet. That's Jenny's pin there, and I haven't seen hide or hair of her. She's back under the sheltered part of it. She probably won't even come out today at all. Alright, so it's about 3:30, time for another update. You can see here, this is just from the wind blowing. Oh, I'm getting a text. Scott shoveled off the deck and he knocked off the edge of the rail, so I can't really give a good estimation of how much snow we have gotten. I don't know. A lot. And it's still coming down. It's supposed to continue coming down through tomorrow. I'm going to try to get some pictures of the front of the house. We got some massive drift action going on. Oh my gosh, it's cold out here. I don't know if you can tell the drifts or not, but oh, I'm out here without a coat on. I'm going back in the house. Oh my goodness. Alright, I went in and got a coat on, and it's really hard to show you the drifting here, but this is a huge drift right here. Kind of see it happening here. I don't know how focused I am. Oh. It is so cold and windy. This is nuts. Oh, it's time to go back in the house. It's Thursday morning, and from the door it doesn't look like we really got that much. There's this ginormous icicle, and then there's that huge pile there, but that blows off the roof. I honestly don't know how many inches we ended up getting, but the wind is very strong and it's drifting badly. So Scott and Travis are both home from work today. So I just stepped out on the front deck porch just to take some film of the drifts before Scott clears them out. But I don't know if you can really tell in video, and I don't have a measuring yardstick or anything, but that's probably a 4-foot drift right there, and it's blown almost to the ground here. You can almost see the grass, but it's blown into a huge drift, and it is definitely colder today than it was yesterday. Alright, I'm going back in the house. I thought I might venture down to the road, but I don't know, maybe later. But I don't know if you can see from here the drift, and there's piles of snow plow left at the end of the driveway. But, yep, it was a big snow. Not as big as they were calling for, but a big snow. Trying to bust through those snow drifts. Just see a cloud of snow. So it kind of gives you perspective on how deep those snowdrifts are compared to that tractor. Olivia and I went to 4 stores. 2 of them were thrift stores and 2 of them were not. The first store we went to was Tractor Supply, TSC. Travis's birthday is coming up next week, and he asked for insulated coveralls, but he wanted the kind with like suspenders, not the coat kind. He has the coat kind, but when he's out working, he will layer his other coat over the top of it, and he said it's just too bulky and it's hard for him to move around. So he wanted the kind that had suspenders. And the only place in our area, like, I mean, if I would have wanted to drive to a bigger city, I would have had more options, but I don't. I don't like driving in town. So, TSC was the only really like farm type store that we have in the area that would carry something like that. And this is what I ended up getting him, the camouflaged ones. And it's got the suspender straps on it. They had very few to choose from, and I kind of figured that would be the case because about February time they're starting to get their spring and summer stuff out. So they had very, very few options. In fact, this was the only pair that was in his size. I think he probably just wanted the like khaki colored ones, but they didn't have any in his size. So this is what I ended up getting. It will match his coat. His coat's just a solid color. This is the Ridge Cut brand. They didn't even have any Carhartts in his size, which that's not his favorite brand, but I would have got him those if that's what they had in his size, but they didn't. They had this, and it was not cheap, but cheaper than Carhartt. They were $90. But that's his main birthday present. So I knew I was going to be spending a lot for these. I expected to pay $100 for them, but got them for $90. And then while we were in there, I picked up this seed starter kit. It's got the soil and everything in it. This is the perfect size. I'm going to set over on my plant stand over here, and I'm going to start some microgreens in it. Yeah, because I want to get those started. Microgreens are basically like little plants like broccoli or beets or lettuce or carrots, and you just let them grow a couple of inches, then you pull them and eat the greens, microgreens. So I thought I would do that in these, and this was $8. And then the only other thing we got from TSC was a bag of scratch greens for our chickens. So then we went over to Goodwill, and our Goodwill is just the pits. It really is. It's like there are hardly any options in the store. I mean, other than clothes. If you're going in there looking for clothes, there's tons of clothes, but nothing else. I did find one item, and when I was at the checkout, the guy who was checking me out went to put it in the bag, and he broke it. So he gave me a credit for the item, and then he just gave me the item because they were just going to throw it away otherwise. And so I think we can fix it. I think Olivia can glue it. I collect Precious Moments figurines, and I thought this one was so cute because of the birds. It was so adorable, and the scarf is what broke off. It's supposed to go like that. Now, when I was looking at it after the fact, when I got home, before I started doing this haul, it looks to me like whoever donated this had tried to glue it before, and they had gotten the seam matched up perfect because I looked for cracks or breaks and I didn't see it. But that's the only thing that makes sense to me why it would have broken so easily at the checkout. But it's a clean break, and I know Olivia can fix it. She's got real steady hands and good eyes, and so she can fix it. So I ended up getting this little Precious Moments figurine called Winter's Song for free. It was normally $3.99. But that was it. That was the absolutely only thing that even caught my attention at all at Goodwill this time. Kind of disappointing. I told Olivia, I was like, I don't even think I want to go back, at least not for a while. Although now I've got a $5 credit that I need to spend. But anyway. Okay, so then we went over to Twice Treasured, which is my absolute favorite antique slash thrift slash resale mall. And I found quite a few things in there. And then we went over to Kroger because I wanted to pick up some ingredients for a recipe that I'm actually going to share on my channel. I'm probably going to make it tomorrow, and you will see it either the end of this week or next week. It's for a Chex Mix, like a snack mix. And so what I needed, well, I needed all the ingredients really, but the recipe called for M&Ms. Well, Olivia and I can't eat M&Ms because of the milk in them. But there is this brand, it's like M&Ms, called Unreal, and there's no dairy in these. And now the only kind they had were the peanut ones, but that's okay. And so I ended up getting 2 bags of those just to make sure that we have enough. And it's supposed to be like a Valentine snack thing, but I suppose you could do it for any season, because you're supposed to get the Valentine's M&Ms and then Valentine's sprinkles. Well, like I said, we can't do M&Ms, and so I did get some Valentine's sprinkles, and these have a lot of the same colors that these Unreal chocolate candies are. So it's gonna look cute, it's gonna match, even though it won't be specifically like just pinks and reds for Valentine's. But these have the little, I don't know if you can see, little blue and purple and pink hearts. So that's gonna be cute. And then the main ingredient is rice Chex. I was really kind of hoping they had an off-brand, but they didn't, so I got the rice Chex. And then when I was looking for the rice Chex, I saw these, which I've never seen before, peanut butter Chex. And these I just got to eat for cereal for breakfast because it sounded really good to me. So that's everything we picked up from Kroger. Let me get the stuff around for the Twice Treasured, and I'll show you what we picked up from that store. All right, I got some really good treasures from Twice Treasured. The first thing was this ring. Olivia saw it. She always loves to look at their jewelry. And she asked me if I could get it for her because, I don't know, it's not coming in very good, but I don't know how clear that's coming out. But it's got like a purple stone and then some probably cubic zirconium stones. But this ring was $6, and on the inside of it, it says 18 KRGP, which I think that means 18 karat rose gold plated. But yeah, I thought for $6, that's a really pretty little ring, and it fits her nice, and she really, really likes it. So I got that for Olivia, and then one other thing I got for Olivia were some of these razors, and it was only $4 for these, and they're super expensive. They're like at least $10, $10 to $12 at Dollar General. So they had these for $4. And she needed some more razors, so that worked out great. So that's what I got for Olivia. And then the very first item that I saw when I walked in was this. Isn't he gorgeous? And he's made out of that natural fiber stuff. I absolutely love these natural fiber creatures, and he is perfect, flawless, not a thing wrong with him. And he was $8. I just love him. I think this, I'm gonna save like my 2 favorite things for first, and then last I'll show you my other favorite thing that I got today. But he was probably my number 1. And then right in the same area I saw these little viney, they're like candle candle rings, but you can use them for all different kinds of things. You can use them for like little wreaths or whatever. And they were only $1.50. They were $1.50 a piece, so $3 for two, but they had 15% off in that booth. So I paid $2.55 for these Ivy candle rings. And then I saw these. These are very old. They're made in Japan. They're quite large. They're salt and pepper, wooden salt and pepper shaker. I'm not going to use them. I'm just going to set them in my kitchen or dining room area. And they were $5 for the pair. And these things can go for quite a lot of money, and they're in really good shape. I mean, there's a little bit of wear and tear on the hats, but that's to be expected. I don't know what the year is, but on the bottom it says Volco brand Japan, if you see that. And typically if something has Japan on it, it's older. And then I saw these cute little hand warmers. It's got a hole there for your thumb, and then your fingers go through, and it's got this cute fur, and there's two of them obviously, and they were only $3.75, and I do believe they were brand new. And where's the other? There we go. Get the other one on. So these are really nice, and then the wrist thing comes down quite low, and so it keeps your hands warm, but your fingers are free to do, like if you need to text or whatever, or if your hands tend to get hot, or your fingers. I just thought, oh, I couldn't pass that up for $3.75. Excuse me, $3.75. And then I got another article of clothing. This one was $10.50, and it's a poncho. And let me see, I'll try it on for you. It's like this almost a light gray, cream beige color. Probably go all those colors. So it's got like a turtleneck collar, or a cowl neck maybe. And then I'll try to back up here. I can't back up far enough because it comes clear down to my knees. It's like a triangle in the front and then a triangle in the back, and it's cozy. I really like it. It'll go with lots of different things because, like I said, it's like a light cream tan, little flecks of gray in it, so it'll go with lots of things. It is the I've never heard of this brand before, J.Jill brand, and one size fits all. And I really, really like it. And I think it's brand new. They do have some brand new things in this store, so I think it's brand new. All right, so I said that was $10.50. Now this last item was the most expensive thing I bought, and it's either my favorite or my second favorite thing. It's a decorative item, but it's also a practical item, and it is so cute. It is a pig watering can, and the water comes out its little nose. You fill it there. It's got a nice handle. I don't think it's not old at all. It's got a made in China sticker on the bottom of it, but it is super cute, and I am going to be using it. I'll use it to water my houseplants with, and I guess it beats using a mason jar. And I paid $18 for him. I looked at him for a while and thought, oh, I don't know if I want to spend that much, but I couldn't get past his beautiful little face. And in fact, I never even noticed the Made in China sticker till just now, because I didn't even turn it. I didn't even turn it over and look. So anyway, he's made out of some sort of ceramic of some sort. And I absolutely love him. I think he's adorable. After Scott got home from work, Olivia and I zipped over to Dollar General, so I thought I would tack this haul onto this video as well. Olivia loves these Lipton teas, so I got her the green tea citrus and the peach. Valentine's Day is coming up, as well as Scott's and my 28th wedding anniversary. And so I just picked this up for him, this little thing. We don't really celebrate Valentine's too much. We typically try to go and do something for our anniversary, and we kind of consider that Valentine's like a combined thing. Got a bag of ice. I picked up another one of these bells, seed bell things. I don't even know how much it was. There was no price on it, but I figured it was probably cheaper than what we got at TSC, and I'll just have this as a backup. Got some more tissues. We were completely out. Actually, we weren't completely out. I just opened up my last box. We are completely out of almond milk, and ordinarily I get the unsweetened, but this was the only kind they had. So we will have to make do with that. Olivia needed some more earbuds, so she got kind of the medium price range. These were $4. She thought the dollar ones would be break in a day, which she's probably right. Then I got some more of this 3-Minute Miracle moisture conditioner stuff for my hair, as well as some shampoo and conditioner, the Aussie brand. I've tried other brands, but I just always end up going back to Aussie because I just love it. I picked this up. It is a Valentine home decor piece, but it's not expressly Valentine's Day, and I thought I could leave it up for like the whole of the winter, but I thought this was really cute. It was $5. I got some more of our Sensodyne toothpaste. Got 2 bags of cotton balls because these were tiny little bags. They were $1 a bag. And I got some toilet bowl cleaner. And that's it. That's all we picked up from Dollar General. Also wanted to share this. It came in the mail today. Isn't that adorable? It's from my friend Cindy here on YouTube. Thank you so much, Cindy. It's adorable. I just laughed and laughed when I opened it up. It's adorable. Thank you. Alright friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy our thrifting haul videos. Like I said, we try to go once a month. I kicked around the idea of like filming in the store, but I've been having trouble with my phone storage getting full really fast. I don't know. I need to do something different on it, but I knew I'd end up running out of storage halfway through the shop with me anyway, and I didn't want to bring my camera, my big bulky camera. So anyway, I didn't do the shop with me, but I don't want to do that every time because it might get boring for you. And I'm very pleased with what we were able to find. I just wish that Goodwill had been better. I had some items on my list that I was looking for, and I didn't find anything on my list. But that's okay. We had a good time, and it was a beautiful day for thrifting. All right, friends, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below. Thumbs up and comments really do help my channel. And let me know which item was your favorite that we found today. Thanks so much for watching, friends, and we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.